Welcome back to Sailing Miss Lone Star. Guess what? We're doing a raffle.
Hey, we're doing a raffle. As you guys know, we're almost up to 60,000 subscribers, which is very exciting. Thank you very, very much.
Thanks so much.
But when you start to grow in subscribers on YouTube, there's some really cool companies that send you some really cool gear to try, and we want your opinion on it.
So what we've decided is, before we use anything, we're gonna get a product and we're gonna have you check it out. So we're gonna do a raffle every single month on the Patreon site. So head over to Patreon, become part of the fabulous, amazing Club 500.
What's Club 500?
Every month.
What is
So
Club 500?
Club 500 is the most amazing people in the world. 500 people whose names are going to be on our boats, 500 people that's going to be on the raffles, 500 Vimeo codes, 500 people laughing and having fun on Patreon.
This is how it works. For every $5 that you pledge on Patreon per month or on PayPal, you get one entry into the raffle, and we're going to draw on the 5th of each month.
We have amazing products lined up. Dinghy anchors, headlamps, water shoes, scuba gear, all amazing stuff that's still coming on the raffles.
Thank you so much to our sponsors. We have some really great relationships with some really cool companies. As you guys know, this is kind of like a tiny living, camping, sailing thing.
Craziness.
So this month we're giving away these.
This! It's really amazing. We love this product, and so we're always going to send you guys or give you something that we like to use and that we really approve. And so watch out for that.
And don't forget to stay to the very end, because we took a few little snippets out of the Daily Show for you to see in the Patreon reel.
Check it out at the end.
Previously on Sailing Miss Lone Star, I added a few final touches to Little Miss before she was splashed in Buzzards Bay. We were proudly the only pink boat in the harbor. This week we bend the sails. We've been sponsored by Far East. They are so beautiful. I can't wait to fill them with wind. After an incredible amount of refits, she's ready for the first sail.
How's it going now?
Turning sideways! I wish we had a Dodger!
I wish so too. Can you take my watch, please?
Hail!
What?
It's hail!
It's hail?
Hail! We bend the sails. We've been sponsored by Far East. They are so beautiful. Okay, you guys, this might be some good news. Not sure. This might be our sails. Are they our sails?
I don't know. What else did you get? This is big.
Sail. Yay! Yes! All right. I can't wait to fill them with wind. Honestly, I wouldn't change anything. We've learned so much since choosing Little Miss.
Perfect day for sailing, isn't it?
For another shakedown sail. We've got the head sail out right now, and we're going a couple knots, and not much wind, but she's doing well.
What's the course?
Due north.
Due north.
To the penguins.
To the penguins.
No, we're at 182.
Where are we going?
We're headed towards Cuddy Hunk and Block, but we're just going to go out and then turn back.
I'm just gonna chill here. Okay. It's the third or the fourth sail. Everything's going everywhere. But everything's holding up nicely. She's sailing really good. The new sails are fantastic. It's really cold out here. It feels like such an achievement. Sailing this boat feels so amazing. We've worked really hard and yeah, it just feels good. She sails very nice. She's fast. She's so fast. She points nice into the wind too. We get about 35 degrees into the wind. If we tighten the head sail quite a bit, quite gusty out here. I think we've got about 24-25 knots of wind. Now we have wind indicators and we have an autopilot, and Aubrey's doing really well on the helm, and yeah, it's kind of bumpy inside. But yeah, it's an amazing feeling. It's been a long time coming. You guys saw us work on the boat so hard. So we're very, very happy. She's doing very well. How's the rain going?
Cold. Feels like little ice daggers.
Woohoo! Cold out there. Are you on autopilot or are you steering?
Steering.
It's so cold, but she wants to sail her boat. Should we turn back?
Yeah, there's no doubt about that.
Never.
Never?
Never.
Yeah, man, you too.
To
I'll talk
Portugal.
to you soon.
To Portugal. You are such a crazy person. What?
A lot of water's coming over.
Woohoo! Tell me, because then I can hide the camera.
Okay.
We don't want to lose another one. So nice to film and see a ray marine or something like.
Hey, in.
Whoa!
Did they say drinking salt water makes you crazy? 'Cause I got bad news. My hand is frozen. A Dodger would be nice right now.
Whoa, it's wet outside. Man, it was fun sailing. She's soaking wet. Look, these waves are huge. You want to turn back?
Eventually.
Okay, the captain said I can sail back. So she's beating into the wind right now, and I'll have following seas when we come back, which is great, you know. Not only is she a very beautiful captain, but she's a very nice, generous captain. So, well, I think this is one of those. Can you imagine this experience, buying something and fixing it up and trying and putting your love into it, and that's what we've done. And this sail is bittersweet, or bitter salty, shall I say. How's it going, Mom?
Pretty good.
Pretty good?
My eyes burn.
Your eyes burn? Whoa. It is 13 degrees outside right now. 13 degrees, people. That's insane. So we are right here right now, like out of Matapoisa. There is Cape Cod, and we are about right here now in the middle of this bay. It's blowing 60 knots. We're about here.
If there's not a hot shower there, I'm gonna be in trouble.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Cold?
very. Good thing I have my sailing shoes on.
Right. How's it going now?
Trending sideways! I wish we had a Dodger!
I wish I do. Can you take my watch, please?
Hail!
What?
It's hail!
It's hail?
Hail!
Are you okay?
Yeah! I'm freaking cold!
You want me to take over?
No, you're dry, it's fine!
Well, just think about crossing the Atlantic and the Pacific. This is what it's gonna be like sometimes.
Aren't we right now?
Good job.
Crossing the Atlantic, we're 4 miles out!
What's the worst thing you can think that can happen right now?
Falling in?
Falling in?
Yeah.
Well, we're close to land.
I can't swim, it's too cold. I can't feel my face when I sail with you, but I love it. Just kidding. It's so cold I can't feel my face. So cold. She's sailing really good though. It's really choppy out here. There's a short fetch, and I think it's in the mid-30s Fahrenheit, so it's very cold. Extremely cold. And Stefan's on the helm right now. I'm taking a little break. One of my feet is completely wet because the cockpit's filling up with water, so we have to try to sort that out. How you doing out there?
We're surfing these swells. It's kind of fun. She sails very well. The head sail's cool. I love this new head sail. Thank you, Fari Sails. I think we'll turn around in a little bit and come back. It's been a really good sail. She's done well. Everything's kept up. The rigging looks perfectly tuned, so well done, Aubrey. The rigging's not too slack. Solar panels holding. Everything's doing fine. It's raining so much, you can see the rainstorms on the horizon. Something that I would like to know, if there's anybody that uses the Garmin chart plotters. We have the Chirp 54. And it's not really doing anything for me. I mean, it shows me the speed right now, and it shows me the water depth. It shows me my course over ground, but I don't know. So if somebody knows how to work it, please let me know.
The wind's died down, and the rain is kind of subsided a little bit, and we're not sure if we're gonna turn the engine on or just try to wait it out. But we're about to turn around here. What do you think about that, Captain Leo?
I think that my inner ballerina says start the engine and go. My inner sailor says wait the wind and sail in.
Hey, that rhymed.
So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I see there's a squall coming, and usually with the squall there's some wind that forms that comes before, and you see, yeah, the wind comes again. So when the squalls come past, usually like in the Caribbean, the wind will run before and behind it. So I think we'll be fine. We'll pick up here in a second, but we're almost back to the marina. Where we've sailed from the one marina to the other, and I think this is going to be our destination where we take Little Miss out of the water for the winter. So it's been a really interesting, fun, cold, miserable, nice, amazing, fun sail. All right, so I'm done. The captain's back on the helm, and I just want to say that these Helly Hansen Foulies, they're not the best.
They're more for show.
They're more for a show. Yeah, it's not. Look how wet Aubrey's is now.
I am drenched to the bone. We are in the doldrums. We are in the northeast doldrums.
Feels like it, eh?
For about 4 more seconds before the wind picks up and blows us back to Timbuktu.
Yeah, so this is not a sponsored jacket. Helly Hansen did not give us this, and I'm obviously not being paid or asked to give this review, but I would not put my money to something like this. I like those Lloyds, yeah. Henry Lloyds are really good. If there's any Foulies that you like, please comment below, because we're definitely going to get some Foulies, and we need to get some really good quality stuff so that we can feature that. And
either I need to get nicer Foulies, or I need to start eating more.
She says either better Foulies or start eating better. So yeah, don't get these guys unless you want to look cool at a party and seem like you're a sailor. That's kind of the only thing that they work for. Okay, here's a question for you. We have a vessel coming to our starboard side. It has a white light on the top of the mast, and there's a red, white, red, and then obviously the red on port side, and then the green on the starboard side. So what does that mean? Red, white, red. It is a vessel smaller than 50 meters, restricted in ability to maneuver, making way. How's it going?
Good morning, world.
Get a tight shot of me putting this in there. No, I sprayed it a little bit here, so if I do this...
No! Oh my god.
What I'd like to see... Listen.
Listen to me, 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 listen to me. Big pipe to another big pipe with an elbow to the bottom, so it's all big pipe going all the way down. Said it.
Talking about my big pipe?
What big pipe? I'm gonna puncture as easily.
What does the word rigid mean?
Rigid like your actual pipe.
What? I don't know what it means.
Rigid means stiff.